Shukor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Umendri katanat Ïalehkai uba awailat mi Kynshleiñ hagala si ublay uloong baka Sorkar jilla kala Pdiang yakarai balashim da ka Meghalaya Cricket Association Halor ka Jingkren kano le Kynshleiñ Pyrshah ikikan Thei Ïalehkai Kriket ka jilla da ka babenrap bagatay garai kalawan hadin ka jing tokit ka bajanay uloong baya kani kamat lara ningkong da ka MCA bad hadin lara siya ka Women's Commission ru kumju labenrap uba shila ha ka Jingkren bat kinong thok kubor ha kala si ublay shu uloong baka BCCI bat ka MCA kitray kam kum ki balat lut kat babon ka jingrod jingsay kawan lingba ka BCCI uloong baka Sorkar kaburom ni kiray jongki kakay pod ka ba kilaray kaday ka ba shupen siyang nong rimbet na kata ka jing tokit
Jingkren regarding sexual harassment case.
You see, because more or less this issue, no doubt at first is already taken care by the MCA, and later on it's went to the Women Commission as well. So definitely, more or less, like as you all know that this BCCI or MCA for that matter, more or less they are working as a kind of autonomous body. So majorly because the funding and everything majorly is coming from the BCCI. So that's why I think most of the decision also we like as a government we respect, and we also that we see that the due diligence has done, the inquiry has been put, and I think based the report which they have given is purely after the inquiry, and also I think from my point of view, I feel that I think they have done their part. So definitely I think the decision taken is based on their finding.
Regarding the